habit. Yeah, good. Study habit. This one, right? Everyone, you study English, you try to speak English a lot. Don't afraid of making mistake. When you study English, mistake is okay. Come home,ត្រូវបានគេលើកលែង right? You try to speak English a lot. You try to speak as you can. Don't be shy. Okay. Everyone, please open your book all together. Now open your book on page 32. We study unit 5. Okay. Okay, unit 5 we study about study habit. Yeah. Good, right? Okay. Everyone, please open your book. Unit 5. On page 32. Do you see everyone? Okay. The title of Unit 5 is study I study habit, right? Okay, everyone, can you read? Can you, boy? Mani, can you read?
Yes, teacher. Unit 5 study habit. Study habit. I look school. Look at the picture. This is
Hiroko.
Can you guess what she look? Write your guess in your notebook. Here we go. Look.
Okay. And number 2?
Listen and check.
Okay, very good. Now look at the picture. Now look at the picture. What can you see? What can you see, right? It's a hood, boy. Good. You can see a girl. Now I want you to guess. What's her name? Can you guess, Sophie? What's her name? Her name? Very good. Her name Hiroko. Can you sing, everyone? What is Hiroko job? Yeah, I want you to sing. What is Hiroko job? តើ Hiroko មានមុខរបរអ្វីកូន? Okay. Good. Hiroko is a student. Okay. So this unit, I want you to open to text script, right? Now open to text script on page 200 and okay, open your book, boy. Yeah, to text script 2.5.1. Yeah. Now open your book to text script on page 211 and 212. Now look at the book and you listen, right? The text script. Okay, please listen to the text script. Okay, everyone. Ready, please. Text script 5.2.5, right? .5.1, right? Yeah. Now listen.
Textbook 2.5.1. Can I ask you some questions?
Yeah, sure.
What's your name?
Name is Hiroko.
How old are you?
I'm 14.
Where are you from?
I'm from Japan.
Do you go to school?
Yes, I do. I'm very busy. I have 2 schools.
Can you say that again? 2 schools?
That's right. I go to 2 schools. I love school. I love studying. I study every day.
What do you study?
My classes are math, science, Japanese, English, and physics. English is my favorite. I love my teacher. We play games in English. I love games. They're my favorite.
What do you do in English?
We sometimes watch TV. I talk to my classmates in English, and the teacher talks to us in English. At 6 o'clock, I go home. Guess what I do then? I study. I do my homework.
Wow. Thanks, Hiroko.
Okay, now listen again, right? Yes, listen again.
Then,
Textbook 2.5.1. Can I ask you some questions?
yeah, sure.
What's your name?
My name is Hiroko.
How old are you?
I'm 14.
Where are you from?
I'm from Japan.
Do you go to school?
Yes, I do. I'm very busy. I have 2 schools.
Can you say that again? 2 schools?
That's right. I go to 2 schools. I love school. I love studying. I study every day.
What do you study?
My classes are math, science, Japanese, English, and physics. English is my favorite. I love my teacher. We play games in English. I love games. They're my favorite.
What do you do in English?
We sometimes watch TV. I talk to my classmates in English, and the teacher talks to us in English. At 6 o'clock, I go home. Guess what I do then? I study. I do my homework.
Wow. Thanks, Hiroko.
Okay, thank you, right? Everyone, after you listen, right, 2 times ago, okay, you can find the vocabulary. Now we look at the whiteboard. Vocabulary means the word. Can you read, everyone? Yeah, good. Habit. Yeah, habit. Okay, the next one. Yeah, physics. Again, physics. Physics. Yeah, science. Science. Favorite. 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 Again. Habit. Physics. Science. Favorite. Okay, can you read, boy? Yarong, can you read? Habit. Physics. Science. Favorite. Okay, thank you. Sit down. Okay. And now the boy, can you talk? Money?
Vocabulary.
Yeah. Habit.
Science. Favorite.
Yeah, thank you. Everyone, do you know what is the meaning of the word habit? Yeah, habit, part of speak, noun. Can you translate, right? What does habit mean? In Khmer, right? Habit. แปลทำไมกู habit ตุ้ม yeah very good habit ตุ้ม love yes very good and the next one physics yeah physics รูปวิทย์ yeah very good รูปวิทยา right okay and the next one right science good science วิทยา yeah good วิทยาศาสตร์ okay and the next one favorite yeah favorite part of speak at Chetil yeah Cheti Chol Chat yeah okay now we read again habit ตุ้มหลบ physics รูปวิทยา science วิทยาศาสตร์ favorite เชตีโจชัน okay now I want you two students right to come to the whiteboard and you act the conversation and one student is Hiroko and one student is an interviewer. Okay, now start please. Who volunteer? Next my chat, can you? Yeah, come to the whiteboard. Okay, Darika. Okay, the boy, can you boy? Who volunteer? Volunteer come to the whiteboard មកក្តាររៀន Yeah, คุณ read នៅកន្លែងនេះ right ដើម្បីឲ្យជាប់កាមេរ៉ាតោះមុនី come here please. Okay ចឹងកូនបែរមុខទៅខាងនោះ Okay បែរទៅនោះឲ្យជាប់កាមេរ៉ា Yeah. Okay តា
Can I ask you some questions? Yes, sure. What's your name? My name is Hideko. How old are you? I'm 14. Where are you from? I'm from Japan. Do you go to school? Yeah, I do. I'm very busy. I have to school. Can you say that again? To school. That's right. I go to school. I love school. I love studying. I study every day. What do you study? My classes and math, children, Japanese, English, and physics. English is my favorite. I love my teacher. We play games in English. I love games. They are my favorite. What do you do in English? We sometimes watch TV. I talk to my classmates in English. And the teacher talk to you in English. At 6 o'clock, I go home. Again, while I do that, I study. I do my homework. Wow, thank you.
Okay, thank you. Okay, right? Okay, another one. Can you please, bro? You have to pray, right? Don't be shy. Okay, Viti, right? Oh, very good. Yeah. Okay, kid, right? Don't be shy, everyone. Yeah. Can I ask you?
Ask you some questions. That's all. What you name?
What's your name?
What? How old are you? I'm 14. Where are you from? I'm from Japan. Do you go to school? Yeah, I do. I'm very busy. I have to school. Can you play?
Can you say that again?
School. That night I go to school. I love school. I love studying. I study every day. What do you study? My class are math, science, Japanese, English, and physics. English is my favorite. I love my teacher. We play games in English. I love games. They are my favorite. What do you do in English? We sometimes watch TV. I talk to my classmates in English, and the teacher talk to us in English. At 6 o'clock, I go home. Get that I do them. I study. I do my homework. Wow. They will go.
Saying here to go. Okay, thank you, right? Okay. One pair, some good, right? Okay, Tavichi and Bunsen, right? Okay, 2 boys. Okay. Okay, start please. Oh, the let's about the goal. Yes, yeah, come on.
What's your name? My name is Yirko. How old are you? I'm 14. Where are you from?
I'm 14, right?
I'm from Japan. Do you go to school? Yes, I do.
Very busy.
Busy. I have to school. Can you say that again to school? That's right. I go to school. I go to school. I love school. I love studying. I study every day. What do you study? My class are math, science, Japan, English, and physics. English is my favorite. I love my teacher. We play games in English. I love
Okay, thank you very much. Okay, everyone, after your friend read, and how many all of you are understand what the listening talk about. Also, I want you, I want you to read and translate all the sentences, right? Can you? Who can read and translate all? ដើម្បីកូនបកប្រែឲ្យមិត្តភ័ក្តិយើងស្ដាប់ណាថាអត្ថបទនេះគេនិយាយពីស្អី Tita, can you? Okay. Or who can read and translate? Okay, I know you can, but you feel shy. Don't be shy, right? Yeah, don't be shy. You must be brave. Who can, right? Read and translate. Viti, can you? Yeah, okay. Please come to the whiteboard. Come here, right? Come here. Read. Yeah. គួនអានហើយយើងបកប្រែ right? Yeah. ទេអានទាំងអស់ហ្មង Yeah. អត់តោះតាណាអត់ចេះយើង អាចសួរសំណួរណា
ខ្ញុំអាចសួរសំណួរអ្នកខ្លះបានទេយ៉ាអាចសួរចាអាចសួរបាន What's your name តើអ្នកឈ្មោះអ្វី My name is Hiroko ខ្ញុំឈ្មោះ Hiroko
Yes
How old are you តើអ្នកអាយុប៉ុន្មាន I'm 14 years old ខ្ញុំអាយុ11ឆ្នាំ Where are you from តើអ្នកមកពីណា I'm from Japan ខ្ញុំមកពីប្រទេសជប៉ុន Do you go to school តើអ្នករៀននៅសាលាណា Yeah I do ចាខ្ញុំធ្វើ
ចាក់តោះ I'm very busy
ខ្ញុំ
រវល់ខ្ញុំរវល់ខ្លាំងណាស់
ខ្ញុំរវល់ខាងណា I have to school ខ្ញុំ
ទៅរៀនពីសាលា
ពីសាលា Can you say
That again To school
to school តើ
អ្នកអាចនិយាយ
អាចនិយាយម្ដងទៀតបានទេពីសាលា
ទៅរៀនពីសាលាឬ
រៀនពីសាលាឬ That can
That right
That right និយាយម្ដងទៀត
ត្រឹមត្រូវហើយ
I go to school ខ្ញុំទៅរៀនពីសាលា I love school ខ្ញុំស្រឡាញ់សាលារៀនរបស់ខ្ញុំ I love studying ខ្ញុំចូលចិត្តរៀន I study every day ខ្ញុំសិក្សាជារៀងរាល់ថ្ងៃ What do you study តើអ្នករៀនមុខវិជ្ជាអ្វីខ្លះ My class are math science Japanese English and physics ខ្ញុំរៀននៅក្នុងថ្នាក់របស់ខ្ញុំរៀនគណិតវិទ្យា
វិទ្យាសាស្ត្រ
ភាសាជប៉ុនអង់គ្លេសនិងរូប
វិទ្យា
English is my favorite អង់គ្លេសជាទីចូលចិត្តរបស់ខ្ញុំ I love my teacher ខ្ញុំស្រឡាញ់គ្រូរបស់ខ្ញុំ We play game in English ខ្ញុំយើងលេងហ្គេមភាសាអង់គ្លេស I love game ខ្ញុំចូលចិត្តហ្គេម They are my favorite ពួកគេជាទីចូលចិត្តរបស់ខ្ញុំ What do you do in English តើអ្នកកំពុង
តើអ្នកធ្វើអ្វីខ្លះជាភាសាអង់គ្លេស
តើអ្នកធ្វើអ្វីខ្លះជាភាសាអង់គ្លេសវិសានថាវ៉ា TV ជួនកាលខ្ញុំមើលទូរទស្សន៍អាន
Talk
to my classmate in English and the teacher talk to us English ខ្ញុំនិយាយជាមួយមិត្តរួមថ្នាក់របស់ខ្ញុំជាភាសាអង់គ្លេស
ភាសាអង់គ្លេស
ហើយនិយាយជាមួយគ្រូរបស់ខ្ញុំជាភាសាអង់គ្លេស At 6 o'clock I go home ដល់ម៉ោង6ខ្ញុំចូលខ្ញុំទៅផ្ទះបងបងអាយទូកាន់ទូទីតខ្ញុំធ្វើអ្វី I study ខ្ញុំសិក្សា I do my homework ខ្ញុំធ្វើកិច្ចការផ្ទះរបស់ខ្ញុំ Wow sang
Hiroko
Wow អរគុណ Hiroko
Okay thank you right
Thanks you, teacher.
Okay everyone after you listen to VT read and translate all so I want you read and translate one by one right Okay start from Eva go read and translate one by one Okay again right
ខ្ញុំអាចសួរសំណួរអ្នកខ្លះៗបាន
Yeah សួស្តីតើខ្ញុំអាចសួរសំណួរអ្នកខ្លះបានទេតដារីកា continue Yes សួរចាស់អាចសួរបានតោះបងកូនបន្តទៀតហើយបន្តទៀតមក Yeah what's your name What's your name អានហើយ What's your name តោះអូនមើលតអត់បើកសភៅទេខំរៀននេះកូននឹកលេងនេះ What's your name នេះអានមក what Yeah what's your name ប្រែតែម៉េចកូន What's your name Yeah អូខេតោះបងអូនតទៀត What's your name កូនឆ្លើយ My name Hiroko Yeah កូនខំរៀនណា My name is Hiroko បាទយើងអាចបានតិចតួចចឹងកូនរៀនបន្ថែមទៀតតោះអូនបន្តលីហួត Yeah how old are you តោះ
Yes teacher I'm 14ខ្ញុំមានអាយុ14ឆ្នាំ
Yeah អូខេតោះអូន continue
Yes teacher where are you from តើអ្នកមកពីប្រទេសណា
Yeah
I'm from Japan ខ្ញុំមកពីប្រទេស
Japan Yeah Japan ប្រទេសជប៉ុនរ៉េតោះដែរមូលីកា Okay don't be shy កូន stand up right Do you go Do you go to school Do you go to school
Do you go to school
តើអ្នកទៅសាលារៀនទេកូនរៀនកូនមានបំរុងប្រយ័ត្នណាកូនឃើញទេគេអានទៅពេលយើងបាទយើងខ្វះបំរុងប្រយ័ត្នណាអញ្ចឹងកូនយកចិត្តទុកដាក់នៅក្នុងការរៀនសូត្រ Do you go to school តើអ្នកទៅសាលារៀនទេបាទកូនឆ្លើយ Yes I do ចាស់ខ្ញុំទៅណាតោះអូនតទៀតកូនអូខេទៀត Are you Okay can you say that តោះ Can you say that again Can you say that again នេះគឺយើងប្រើប្រាស់នៅពេលដែលយើងស្ដាប់អ្វីមួយមិនបានណា Can you say that again តើអ្នកអាចនិយាយម្ដងទៀតបានទេអូខេតោះវិរៈបុត្រអូនបន្ត That right I go to school Yeah that right I go to school ពិតមែនហើយខ្ញុំទៅសាលារៀនអូខេអូនត boy continue I love Yeah I love school
ខ្ញុំចូលចិត្តសាលា
Okay I love school ណាខ្ញុំចូលចិត្តសាលារៀនត boy គុណតទៀត I love studying ខ្ញុំចូលចិត្តរៀនតោះកូនតទៀតកូនប្រឹងប្រែងកូនភាសាអង់គ្លេសគឺវាសំខាន់ណាស់បាទជាងកូនប្រឹងរៀនអានយើងរៀនដោយយកចិត្តទុកដាក់តោះបន្តទៀត Okay what do you study Yeah what do you study កូនប្រែតែម៉េច What do you study Yeah ឥឡូវ teacher ask you what do you study តើអ្នករៀនអ្វីគេ Yeah good What do you study I study English ត boy continue My classes are math science physics English and physics My classes កន្លែងនេះកូនប្រែថាម៉េចខ្ញុំរៀនណាបាទខ្ញុំរៀនភាសាអង់គ្លេសភាសាជប៉ុនហើយនឹងរូបវិទ្យាហើយតើនេះពីវ៉ាន់តោះកូនតទៀត boy យើងកុំមានអារម្មណ៍ខ្មាស់អៀនណាកូនរៀនណា Don't be shy បាទយើងប្រឹងរៀនបន្ថែមតោះ Okay what do you do in English Yeah what do you do in English គេសួរកូនថាតើអ្នកធ្វើអ្វីខ្លះជាភាសាអង់គ្លេសអូខេតោះកូនរៀនខំរៀនឡើងឯណាដល់ណាហើយ We sometimes watch TV Yeah we sometimes watch TV នេះជួនកាលពួកយើងមើលទូរទស្សន៍តោះអូខេអូនសូហេងកូនត I talk to my
classmate in English and the teacher
Yeah Okay I talk to my classmate but in English ខ្ញុំនិយាយជាមួយមិត្តភ័ក្តិជាភាសាអង់គ្លេសហើយនិយាយជាមួយនឹងលោកគ្រូរបស់ខ្ញុំជាភាសាអង់គ្លេសតើវិជា continue
At 6 o'clock
But it's yeah, talk okay. So Lee continue con.
Guess what? I do you. I do then.
I do my homework. Yeah, talk mít ní con to.
Chờ bao sang khi được cô.
Yeah, sang here. Okay, right? Okay, thank you. Sit down. Okay, now we turn back, right? After you read and translate the sentence and you can understand. So, please turn back, right? Turn back to page. Okay, now open your book, right? Back to page 32. Now I want you to make the sentence, right? I want you make the half sentence. คนเคยได้ចឹងយើងគូបគងប្រយោគបាទគឺនៅក្នុង column A វាមានមួយកណាត់ហើយនៅក្នុង column B វាមានមួយកណាត់យើងហៅថាបាទ half sentences ចឹងប្រយោគនេះជាកូនមានតែមួយកណាត់ទេចឹងកូន make វាយកវាទៅភ្ជាប់គ្នាចឹងយើងបែងចែកវាអញ្ចឹងនៅក្នុង sentence នេះគឺយើងមានចំនួន there are 8 number so I divide you to 4 groups right to 4 groups អូខេអញ្ចឹងក្រុមនេះគឺកូនក្រុមទី1ក្រុម1បាទក្រុមនេះគឺកូនក្រុមទី2ខាងនេះយើងក្រុម3ក្រុមទី3ហើយកូនខាងនេះក្រុម4ក្រុមទី4អញ្ចឹងនៅក្នុងមួយក្រុមបាទកូនសរសេរចំនួន2 sentences បាទអញ្ចឹងកូនពិភាក្សាគ្នាបាទដោយសារយើងមិនបានរើតុទេយកកន្លែងយើងចង្អៀតបាទអញ្ចឹងកូនពិភាក្សាគ្នាសម្រាប់ក្រុម number 1អញ្ចឹងកូនឡើងសរសេរលេខ1និងលេខ2 sentence number 1ឧទាហរណ៍ my name is អីយល់ទេអូខេដល់ពេលហើយកូនសរសេរលេខ2មួយទៀត number 2 am អីអញ្ចឹងក្រុម3ក្រុម2កូនតពីលេខ3និងលេខ4ណាអញ្ចឹងកូនធ្វើ number 3 and number 4 and ក្រុម3ក្រុមទី3កូនធ្វើ number 5 number 6 and ក្រុម4កូនធ្វើ number 7 and number 8 right okay okay now sing right កូន sing តើណាមួយពីរតោះគឺបែងចែកជា4 right ជា4ក្រុមកុំអោយចង្អៀតOkay, are you ready, everyone? Yeah, good. Okay. Group 1. Yeah, right? Group 2. Okay, group now already. Good learn to the whiteboard, right? Yeah, come to the whiteboard. Group 3, right? Yeah. Group 4, yeah. If you already you come to write on the whiteboard. Okay. Group 1 mean 2 sentences. Yeah, connect, huh? Number 1, number 2. Yeah. For number 5, number 6, number 7, number 8. Okay, are you ready? This group TP already, right? Okay, group 1. Group 3. Yeah, okay. ពិភាក្សាគ្នា we want discuss right បាទអូខេOkay, my name. Okay, group 4 នេះនៅមួយក្រុមមួយទៀតគឺ number 8 right? Yeah, I'm 14. Okay. Okay, are you ready, everyone? Okay, mean you ready all the 4 group, right? Now, please look at the whiteboard. We check the answer all together. Now we look at check group 1. My name is Hirogo. Okay, right or wrong, everyone? Yeah, right, correct. Okay, number 1. My name is Hirogo. Correct. My name is Hirogo. ខ្ញុំឈ្មោះ Hiroko. Okay. Number 2. I'm 14. Yeah. Okay, this sentence we can say I'm 14 years old. បាទយើងអាចប្រើ I'm 14 years old ណាកូនប៉ុន្តែក្នុងមេរៀនយើងគេប្រើថា I'm 14. Okay. I'm 14 ខ្ញុំអាយុ Very good. Okay, so group 1 is correct. Okay, clap your hand. Yeah. Okay, now we check group 2. Okay, group 2. Okay. Group 2, can you read with ឯណាកូនតំណាងក្រុមទី 2. Okay, read. I
go to school.
Yeah, I go to school. Yes, English.
English is my favorite.
Good, sit down. Everyone below. I go to schools. បាទអញ្ចឹងកូនឃើញ school នេះមាន S ទេកូនបាទវាជាពីហូបវាយវចនៈអញ្ចឹងយើងទៅសេ I go to schools បាទអញ្ចឹងនៅក្នុងភាសាអង់គ្លេសចំនួនដែលមាន S គឺជាចំនួនពីហូបវាយវចនៈបាទយើងសម្គាល់ចំនួនដែលមានច្រើនចាប់ពី 2 ឡើងទៅ I go to school កូនប្រែថាម៉េចបាទខ្ញុំទៅរៀនពីសាលាបាទ to school នេះគឺទៅរៀន English is my favorite yeah English កន្លែងនេះយើងប្រែតែម៉េចកូនភាសាអង់គ្លេសជាមុខវិជ្ជា yeah okay I can ask you what is your favorite subject is English yeah good now group 2 mean correct clap your hand everyone okay now we check group 3 group 3 okay តោះ can you read boy តំណាងក្រុម we
Play game in English.
yeah
We sometimes watch TV.
okay we play game in English បាទយើងលេងហ្គេមជាភាសាអង់គ្លេស okay អញ្ចឹង we យើងនៅពីមុខបងយើង start វាដោយ capital letter we play game in English យើងលេងហ្គេមជាភាសាអង់គ្លេសដោយទូនំយើងលេងហ្គេម sing fast ណោះ go I go to school លេងចឹងទៅ we sometimes watch TV ស្អីគេកូន TV ណោះ yeah ទូរទស្សន៍ okay អញ្ចឹង we យើងទៅសេដោយ capital letter okay so group 3 is correct clap your hand okay now we check group 4 group 4 right ក៏កូនតំណាងក្រុម
At 6 o'clock, I go home.
នេះណា okay យើងបាត់មកកណាត់ okay okay ម៉ៃ okay very good so group 4 បាទ okay group 4 មិនទាន់ត្រឹមត្រូវទេគឺ say at 6 o'clock I go home right okay ចឹងសម្រាប់ក្រុមទី 4 បាទយើងទៅ say បានតែមកកណាត់ right okay ចុះខាងនេះកូនអីគេ I yeah good I do my homework okay very good right okay I do my homework okay អញ្ចឹងសូមទាដៃឲ្យក្រុមទី 4 មួយដែលគាត់មិនទាន់ត្រឹមត្រូវល្អ បាទអញ្ចឹងក្រុមទី 4 គាត់បានតែមកកណាត់ណា okay okay please write in your notebook right អញ្ចឹងកូនទៅសេដាក់ក្នុងសៀវភៅយើងបាទគឺយើងមានតែ 8 sentence ទេកូនគឺ my name is Hiroko បាទ I'm 13 ណា I'm 14 right okay okay ចឹងកូនទៅសេ2នាទីមកចម្លងចូលក្នុង notebook យើង right yesចឹងភាសាអង់គ្លេសគឺវាមានសារៈសំខាន់ណាកូនដើម្បីយើងដើរឲ្យទាន់សម័យ digital គឺកូនត្រូវប្រឹងរៀនភាសាអង់គ្លេសបន្ថែមបាទបងអូនខ្លះកូនអាចអានបានល្អហើយប៉ុន្តែយើងប្រឹងបន្តទៀតបាទចំណែកកូនខ្លះបាទកូនអានមិនទាន់សូវបានល្អអញ្ចឹងកូនប្រឹងរៀនបន្ថែមបាទពីព្រោះសម័យនេះគឺភាសាអង់គ្លេសហ្នឹងគឺយើងត្រូវតែចេះបាទយើងមិនអាចថាអត់ចេះទេបាទត្រូវប្រឹងរៀនដល់កូនធំបន្តិចទៀតបាទយើងរៀនជំនាញកុំព្យូទ័របន្តទៅទៀតបាទពីព្រោះយើងមានសារៈសំខាន់ណាស់កុំដើរលេងណាបាទចឹងយើងប្រឹងប្រែងដើម្បីឲ្យคล้ายទៅជាទំពាំងស្នងឫស្សី you have to study hard don't waste the time ត្រូវតែប្រឹងប្រែងរៀនសូត្រកុំជិះជាយពេលវេលាណា time is money បាទពេលវេលាជាមាសប្រាក់នោះយ៉ាងម៉េចគឺយើង try to study hard គឺប្រឹងរៀនឲ្យខ្លាំងមែនទែនបាទ don't play game ណាកុំលេងហ្គេមOkay, now we continue, right? We look at. Now we look at. We move to number 4, right? Then number 3, good already. We look at number 4. Yeah. Do you see, everyone? Yes. Okay, number 4. Can you read number 4, boy? Can you? Tita, can you read number 4?
Yeah, teacher, number 4. What are the picture of? Make the word the to the picture, listen and check.
Okay, sit down. Okay, what this picture of? Make the word to the picture, listen and check. Now we look at the picture. Yeah, go look at the picture. And there are 6 pictures, right? Now you look at from picture 1, picture 2, picture 3, picture 4, picture 5, and picture 6. And below the picture, you can see the verb. Do you see, everyone? Yeah, below the picture, នៅខាងក្រោមនៃរូបភាពនេះបាទកូនឃើញកិរិយាសព្ទចឹងកិរិយាសព្ទនេះគេឲ្យបងឯងគូផ្គងកិរិយាសព្ទជាមួយនឹងរូបភាពតើរូបភាពទី1នេះវាត្រូវជាមួយនឹងកិរិយាសព្ទមួយណា Example បាទខាងនេះកូនសរសេររួចហើយណា Okay កូន look at the whiteboard ចឹងកូនមើល picture 1 គឺពាក្យ go កូនឃើញទេចឹង Okay picture 1 right មើលរូបភាពសិន right picture 1 នោះកូនឃើញរូប a girl right បាទឃើញក្មេងស្រីម្នាក់គាត់ធ្វើអីក្មេងស្រីនោះ Yeah what is the girl doing ឬក៏ what does the girl do Okay ចឹង number 1 ស្អីគេកូន Very good number 1 គឺ do homework very good do homework yeah Okay do homework យើងប្រែថាធ្វើកិច្ចការផ្ទះចឹងកូនអាចបន្ថែម subject វានិយាយពីខ្លួនយើងបានទេពី habit របស់យើងថាខ្ញុំធ្វើកិច្ចការផ្ទះតើយើងនិយាយជាភាសាអង់គ្លេសយ៉ាងម៉េចតើ stand up and say
I do homework.
Very good I do homework Okay I do homework Okay Okay now look at picture 2 Yeah កូនមើល picture 2 Yeah picture 3 play Yeah play កូនបកប្រែថា លេងចឹងកូនអាចនិយាយថាខ្ញុំលេងបាល់ទាត់បានទេអូខេ Mr. Vanna Very good I play football ចុះបើកូននិយាយថាខ្ញុំលេងជាមួយមិត្តរួមថ្នាក់កូននិយាយយ៉ាងម៉េចអូខេមក boy ខ្ញុំលេងជាមួយមិត្តរួមថ្នាក់ I play with my class yeah very good right okay the next one yeah work yeah what does mean work កូន work ការ yeah ចុះបើយើងនិយាយថាឪពុកខ្ញុំទៅធ្វើការកូននិយាយយ៉ាងម៉េចមកវិធី
Yes teacher my father I go
and my father go
my father go homework
my father go to work yeah ចឹងជាមួយ father យើងប្រើពាក្យ my father go to work yeah ឬបើយើងនិយាយពីខ្លួនឯងគួរនិយាយម៉េច I go to work yeah very good I love my work you can make a lot of sentences with this verb okay one more មួយទៀតកូនតរូបភាពទី4 study okay ត study យ៉ាងម៉េចយើង make the sentence ជន្លី good I study English okay number 5 yeah number 5 the verb yeah រូបភាពទី5កូន go yeah go យ៉ាងម៉េចកូន go យើងបង្កើតជាប្រយោគមក yeah okay មកឯណាទៀត Sophie can you make go កូនដាក់មក I go អីបង្កើតឲ្យបានណាកូនចឹងបងរៀនបង្កើតវាជាមួយ I go នោះ I go yeah I go home I go to school ណាអូខេតោះមួយទៀតកូនលេខ6 yeah ទី6អីគេកូន watch yeah watch អីគេកូន yeah watch យើងប្រែថាមើលឧទាហរណ៍ I watch TV ឃើញទេពីបង I watch TV អញ្ចឹងទៅ I watch បាទ I watch the film on the internet អញ្ចឹងទៅណាបាទអញ្ចឹងយើងរៀននិយាយពីទម្លាប់ដូចគេសួរយើង what okay example what time do you go to bed I go to bed at យើងឆ្លើយទៅ what time do you go to bed
Yes teacher I go to bed at
yeah ចុះ what time do you get up yeah Shunli what time do you get up you get up at 5 o'clock what time do you go to school what time do you go to school Moni
Teacher I go to school at 6 o'clock
yeah I go to school at 6 o'clock okay what do you study yeah example លើទូសួរយើង what do you study on Monday តើកូនរៀនអ្វីខ្លះនៅថ្ងៃច័ន្ទអញ្ចឹងកូនឆ្លើយម៉េចឥឡូវថ្ងៃច័ន្ទកូនរៀនអីខ្លះរៀន GCC ភាសាអង់គ្លេសឥឡូវកូននិយាយមកថ្ងៃច័ន្ទត on Monday I study yeah
Yes teacher
on Monday I study
GCC and English
yeah on Monday we study GCC and English បាននៅថ្ងៃអង្គាររៀនអីកូន what do you study on Tuesday answer what do you study on Tuesday yeah មកថ្ងៃអង្គាររៀនអីខ្លះវិជ្ជា
on Tuesday I study
physics ស្អីទៀតកូន physics yeah biology
and math
okay very good right okay everyone and today we stop here right because we on time to have a break and I want you to study at home right okay ចឹង please read the book at home on page 33 បាទចឹងកូនបាទមើលបន្ថែមទៀតនៅលើទំព័រទី33 right លើទំព័រទី33បាទគឺកូនរៀននៅផ្ទះបាទចឹង tomorrow បាទយើង study on page បាទ 33 done everyone okay ចឹង please come to the board គុណមកក្តារខៀនយើង 2-3 នាក់មក 4-5 នាក់មកតានេះបាទយើងនិយាយជាភាសាអង់គ្លេសឲ្យលោកត្រាំជួយកម្ពុជាយើងមកតានេះមកគុណមកតានេះមកខាងនេះមកតានេះមក yes please come here hurry up មកនិយាយបន្តិចទេគុណនិយាយនោះថាកម្ពុជាត្រូវការសន្តិភាពចេះថាទេមកថាមកជួយច្រើននេះមកគុណមកហើយកូននិយាយបាទតមកលឿនមកកូន hurry up លឿនដល់មក come on មួយច្រើននោះកូននិយាយថា Cambodia need peace មកអូនមក come on Cambodia don't need the war តឡើយអូនលឿនឡើងកូនលឿនឡើងមកទៀតបាទ Thailand violate to Cambodia ណាតែយើងអាចនិយាយថា Thailand attack to Cambodia first អូនមកទៀតកូនមួយច្រើនឥឡូវstart please Thailand attack to Cambodia first Please help Cambodia Cambodia need peace Cambodian don't need war សំពីបងឡើយកូនលើកសំពីឲ្យនិយាយទាំងអស់គ្នាថា Thailand attack to Cambodia first បាទទៀត Cambodian need Cambodian don't need Yeah okay thank you បាទនេះគឺជាសារមួយបាទ Okay thank you very much Okay everyone thank you yeah Okay for your pay attention in my lesson today and because it's on time to have a break right but okay now want to say goodbye but you have a break សិនก่อนណា Okay តោះ goodbye teacher Okay thank you ដែរតោះកូនចេញទៅក្រៅសិនទេចេញ